Are you struggling with kitchen clutter? Space-saving cookware might be your solution. Modern designs let you reclaim cabinet space while cooking conveniently. At Cookware Scout, we've tested the latest innovations in our practical gear lab. Let's dive into the top space-saving performers for 2026. First up, the Calphalon Premier. It's durable and features interlocking handles. This set saves up to 30% more space while offering consistent heating. Next, we have the Tefal Ingenio. Ideal for tiny kitchens, it allows stacking with removable handles, turning pots into flat cylinders. It's efficient and perfect for RV living. For a non-toxic aesthetic, check out the Caraway ceramic set. It includes a magnetic rack instead of nesting. Beautiful colors and organization set it apart. Lastly, we recommend the Ninja Foodie Never Stick. It combines durability with specific stacking for optimal space use. When choosing, look for flat glass lids to save space and ensure a good protective coating. Remember, check counts of usable pieces, not just total numbers. In summary, for long-term durability, go for Calphalon Premier. For maximum compactness, Tefal Ingenio stands out. If aesthetics matter most, the Caraway system shines. Ready to reclaim your kitchen? Check out these top choices today.